reset it and set the cruise at 70. Okay, cruise is set at 70. I'm going to reset the trip. There we go. Now this is set at 70. There's your RPMs. 2013 2500 Cummins diesel with a 6.8 RFE. Obviously it has 342s. We kind of got some rolling, a little bit of a rolling hills here. Now we're going up. We're going to see what the average is after a little while here. I'm with Hector from Jim Brown Dodge, Chrysler Jeep Ram, Tampa, Florida. Now we're on the flat. Just cruising with the cruise. Right now, it's averaging 18.5 miles per gallon. There's your average. It's kind of hard to drive and hold this, so I'm doing my best for you guys out there. For all you guys on the CumminsForum.com, look what I do for you guys. This is Jack's Cummins here. By the way, when we took off coming up on the interstate from a dead stop, I had to let off from it spinning the tires. These 342s really hinder the power here, not. Here's your boost gauge. Alright, this is where the end of the road is. Getting ready to have to slow down, so going back up a hill. Now we've crested it, coming down. Still averaging 18.5. I'm going to accelerate. Alright, I'm going to accelerate again to show you the boost gauge. Alrighty, well here we are, 2013 Ram 2500, fuel economy / acceleration / boost demonstration. Thanks, Hector.
No problem.